Hey there, in this quick video I want to show you how we can easily download the video from the Amazon reviews. So let's say that you're gonna find a product. I have the look here, the shark. First you want to click on reviews, then right here you want to scroll to see more reviews on the bottom. Then when you're gonna be here, you want to change the text, image, video to image and video reviews only. And now when you're going to be here, the next process is going to be simple. So what you need to do is this. You want to press F12, and when you're gonna press F12, you want to then press Ctrl F and right there MP4. And right there, you can when you're gonna have this arrow here, that you can switch between the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's an order of the MP4 files. So right here, I have this one, and this is going to be the first one. If there is going to be second video, the next one is going to be here. This is the second. So what I could do now is that I can just take it like this, paste it. See, it's exactly that video. And right click, save video as. And then just save it. That's it. So this is how we're gonna do it. Have a great day and goodbye.